Oh, poor little squirrel up in the tree here, absolutely freezing my nuts off, and no food. But there's those lucky little birds. They've got these little appendages sticking onto their body, which allows them to move through the air. They just sort of move them up and down very fast, and they get from one place to another. It's incredible the way they do it. I think, yeah, I think that I should have been born a flying squirrel. Then I could have just got at those large balls inside that cage. But it's just impossible for me to get there. And we see there must be nuts and grains and lots of good stuff in that. And look, those birds are just together there. It looks like a sparrow and a blue-tip chickadee just eating large balls. And what am I doing just stuck up this tree? I think I could learn to fly. Can't be all that difficult. Not really. All you have to do is throw yourself at the ground and miss. To be able to fly, really, what you need is theology and geometry. Theology, you've got to believe you fly. If you don't believe you fly, then you won't fly. The next thing is geometry. You'll never be able to fly unless you have the correct geometry. Euclid had his elements, Pythagoras had his theorem, and Da Vinci, well, he just flew, didn't he? How do you think he got up to paint the roof of the Sistine Chapel? By flying, of course. That's the way he did it. So, I think I really need to get myself some wings. I wonder where I can get them. Now, those humans in the house, they just have naughty breakfast. Creamy yogurt with strawberries in the bottom. I've watched them through the window. Creamy natural yogurt with strawberries. Yeah, they've got it lucky. But they do things which are just not right. I find they've just got an obsession, an absolute obsession with licorice, salty licorice, soft licorice, licorice sauce. And I mean, there must be something wrong, drastically wrong, with someone who takes some licorice sauce in the morning and pours it onto his yogurt. That just can't be right. There's something really, really wrong with that. I mean, say, doing something like that could shatter the fabric of the universe. It's just so wrong, so wrong. But what can you do about it? Well, do you know what they do? After they've just put all that licorice onto their yogurt, they think, we'll make it all right. You know how they make it all right? I'll tell you how they make it all right. It's muesli to the rescue. They take some fruit and nuts and some grains, and then they just pour it on top of that strawberry creamy yogurt and that licorice sauce, and then they think, it's all right, I can eat that, it's healthy.